Hey everyone, this is the overview video for day 4. Hope everybody is adjusting to the online format okay. I know I'm trying to keep communication open, make sure you guys, know what's due, and if you haven't done anything, to make sure that you go back and do it. If things are, quote unquote late, like I'll be really flexible as long as you guys are getting them done. Again, if you have any questions or anything like that, you feel like you missed something, you're not really sure what to do, just keep the lines of communication open. Alright, so day 4, if we go into the online distance learning folder, we're still in unit 8. We're almost done. We're going to go down to day 4 here. So at this point, you guys are learning about cell division. You learned about the cell cycle and mitosis in days 2 and 3. There was a Google Doc with notes and a video, and then a assignment for you to do. So day 4 is continuing that, and you're going to be learning about something called meiosis. And so meiosis is also a type of cell division, but there's something that's a little bit different from mitosis. Mitosis was just in your body cells, and those cells were either repairing, if you get hurt and they need to repair your skin, like if you have a scab on your knee or something, or when you're growing, as you're getting bigger, your body's going through mitosis to build more cells. This is meiosis, and so this has to do with producing gametes, and gametes are like sperm and egg cells. So we're making sperm and egg cells so that actual reproduction can occur, so that we can have unique cells to make more offspring. So the first thing that you're going to do is this meiosis intro. It is a Google Doc. There's a little bit of information. It's kind of like read the information, answer the questions that are below. And then you're going to, and again, just go by the numbers that are next to them. So that's number 1. Number 2 is the video and the video focus questions. I have this right here next to it for you to turn that in, so I do want you to submit that. This right here for the video and the focus questions, I don't have it next to it for you to turn in. This is going to be something that's going to help you for the assignment later on. It's going to help you to kind of literally focus on what you need to during that video. So that video right there is just on meiosis. Then for the third thing, I want you to watch this mitosis versus meiosis video. So now that you've learned about mitosis and meiosis, sometimes we get them a little bit confused because they both have to do with cell division. So I want you to watch the video so you can see them side by side. Then there's a quizzes here. This is just reviewing both mitosis and meiosis before you do the meiosis assignment here. And again, this is graded. There are 2 attempts for you to do, so if you don't like the first one, then make sure you go in and do the second one. And honestly, even if you do the first one and you feel okay, go back in and do the second one. If you weren't sure of one answer or anything like that, you can always do those 2 attempts. Alright, so that is for day 4.